Okay, today I come with some of the interesting constraint questions. So I planned of making a constraint series in which I will discuss lot of problems related to constraints. So let's start with the today's problem. Okay, so today I'm going to deal with the very interesting problems and how to solve by just using a single steps. Let's take a problem. Okay, uh, we have an array of size 10 and the condition is having exactly 10 exactly 10 in it. So how can you deal it with? Okay, see, let's say I have taken a constraint x. uh, what will be the logic? Exactly one number of 0. See, there is a logic for it. A dot sum with int bull item, what I want? 0. How many 10 I want? 1. So just put this. Now discuss it. See, this is very simple. A dot sum, this is a sum is a normal array reduction method. Sum is a normal reduction method. Just do the summation of the value. Okay, reduction method. Okay, item will do item play a very important role. It do what? Let's say we have an array, we have an element in it. It will go to each element and check whether it is 0 or not. If it is 0, it will give true. If it is not 0, it will give false. Okay, similarly go to each element and check whether it is 0 or not. Okay, now further this true or false converted to 1 or 0 by using this int bool. Okay, and I want exactly 1, so sum will do. Let's say in the same way, if you will understand it in a detail. Let's say we want, let I want exactly 4, exactly 4 zeros. So what will the sum will give? Let's 40 now. So item will go and check for the 40. Let's say 4 true, it need 4 true, 4 true. Okay, 4 true, 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 and it should be equal to 4. So come with the code, then you will better understand. Okay, see, very simple. Just write class example. Okay, rand int a, what is the size? 10, constant x. First you need to write its range. For each a of I want a of I inside what range you want? 0 to 30. Let's say you done any mistake, fine, everything is correct. Another constant you have to write. See, this is another constraint you have to write. In this you have to write that logic. A dot sum with a dot sum with, here you have to write item equal to 0. It will check for how one time. Fine. Now you have to write function void post randomize dollar display. I want randomize value is percentage p a end function end class. Now for randomization you use module, name of module you can take anything. Let's create the handle for the class. Okay, initial begin, create memory for it, object it is called, then do randomize. It is correct. Fine. Indeed. End module. See, if you do any syntax error, the code will not run. Everything is correct. The tool has been selected. Let's run it and see you are getting the result or not. Wait for some minutes or some seconds. See, I think, okay, see, you are getting the result. Okay, and see exactly one number of zeros. Okay, okay. So let's come with another problem. Okay, let's try one more problem for better understanding. Okay, so the problem is, let's say we have an array of size 10. Okay, having exactly 4 number of 7, and add one more condition, add, and no 7 should be conjugative next to each other. Conjugative next to each other. What does it mean? First of all, we have an array of size 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Let's say 10. We have an array of size 10 जिसमें हमें 7 की नंबर 4 चाहिए. It contain exactly 4 number of 7, and no 7 should be conjugative like this. No, this should be not in the array. Okay, it can be like this. Okay, but not conjugative. So what conditions we can write? The first is very easy. We won't, I think you understand. A dot sum with int what I want, item equal to 7, and how many times? 4 times. So this is very easy constant. The another is what logic. See, can I write for each a of I? Okay, if I greater than 0 and a of I if equal to 7, then can I write a of I minus 1 is not equal to a of I? Simple logic is there. Why I am taking I greater than 0 for this? If I will be 0, it come to negative now. So simple. Let's try on the tool. Let's run it. What logic I have said? Just okay. Don't change much things. Take the size same. A dot sum with item equal to 7. How many times I want? 4 times. Do it 4 times, and one more constant add, constraint z, and in this you have to write the logic for each a of I if I greater than 0, sorry, I greater than 0 and a of I equal to 7. Okay, then can I write here equal to 7, a of I a of I, here you can write minus 1. Okay, not equal to a of I. Fine, let's run it. The remaining thing, no changes in the remaining things. Let's run the code and see we are getting the result or not. Okay, see, 1 2 3 4. First condition satisfied. Second, no conjugative 7 satisfied. So in this way you have to think. Okay, take, okay, in this way you have to think. Now the question of the day, just take one questions. Array of size 10 having exactly 3 values between 40 and 80. Okay, try it. Okay, we will meet in the next sessions with more questions. Okay. fine.